Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna learn how to make naan, plain naan. Okay, I have maida, which is maida flour, and yeast, salt, and water. Okay, and this is a cup. Making a mess over here. Okay, and I have a cup of maida, and I'm going to put it in a bowl. Okay. Start. Pinch of salt, just for taste. Yeast, 1 spoon. Guys, I'm making naan for 4 people, so I feel the maida is less. So I'm gonna add some more maida. Okay, and I have taken a little more maida. So obviously, a little more salt. And little more yeast. Okay. And now I'm gonna pour water. And I'm gonna mix it very well. Okay guys, now I have mixed the batter very well, and you can see that it shouldn't, when you do that, it shouldn't, stick to your hand. And I have, okay, so I'm putting a plate on it, and you have to leave this for 10 more minutes. Okay.